Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into BDO Online Banking Account. If you have already registered for online banking account on BDO Bank of Philippines, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The login process is pretty simple, secure, and straightforward. By the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details, payments, fund transfers from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop, then on the search bar, search for bdo.com.ph. Now, once you land on an interface like this, go and take your cursor over online banking login. From this, choose BDO Online Banking. Then you will be directed to the login page of BDO Online Banking Account. But before you get started with the login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You cannot log into your BDO Online Banking account if you haven't registered for it at the first place. So in order to do that, all you have to do is just go and tap on to Not Yet Enroll Now option in order to start your registration process. And after you have registered for BDO Online Banking account, then you will be provided with a user ID and a password to log into your account with. So go to user ID text field and enter the user ID associated with the account. Then go to the password text field and enter the password that you have set while registering for this online account. If you have forgotten your password, then you can just go and tap on to forget your password option in order to reset it. Similarly, if you have forgotten your user ID, then you can just go and tap on to forget your user ID option in order to reset your user ID. And after you have entered your login details, go and tap on to login. By tapping on it, you will have successfully logged into your BDO Online Banking account. So with all this information, you will be able to log into your BDO Online Banking account in no time. So this will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.